two different questions that come up. One is, do I need a financial planner? And so we'll tackle that one. And then the second one is, how do I find a good financial planner? And so I'll give you a few things to think about when you're looking at who to choose as your financial planner. So first up, do you need a financial planner? So let me share a little bit about what financial planners can do for you. Generally, a financial planner is going to help you look at your long-term financial goals and then allocate money to the right spaces to achieve those. So a lot of those conversations are going to be around saving, vehicles, investments, taxes, estate planning, insurance, right? So financial planners are going to look at all of that long-term financial goals, financial tools, and help you understand which ones might be the best fit for you. So when might you need a financial planner? For a lot of people, I say, if you're like kind of, you're in a groove, you've got your budget pretty well figured out, you're starting to see your like emergency savings get to the point that you want it to, that can be a good